Deep within the desolate heart of the Nevada desert, hidden from prying eyes and shrouded in secrecy, lies a place that has captivated the imagination of the world for decades. Area 51. This mysterious location has been the focal point of numerous stories, each more intriguing than the last. This remote military base, officially known as Groom Lake or Homey Airport, has been the subject of countless conspiracy theories, whispered rumors, and wild speculation. From secretive government projects to alleged alien technology, the tales surrounding this place are endless. Its very name evokes images of UFOs, alien encounters, and government cover-ups. The night sky over the desert, with its vast expanse and twinkling stars, only adds to the mystique. For some, it represents the ultimate proof of extraterrestrial life, while for others, it is a symbol of government secrecy and the lengths to which authorities will go to keep their activities hidden from the public. The high security fences and warning signs serve as a constant reminder of the restricted nature of this enigmatic place. What is it about Area 51 that continues to fascinate and intrigue us? Is it the barren, almost otherworldly landscape that seems to hide secrets beneath its surface? Perhaps it is the human desire to believe in something beyond our understanding, something that challenges our perception of reality. The silhouette of a lone figure gazing at the night sky embodies this quest for knowledge and the unknown. Or maybe it is the allure of the unknown, the tantalizing possibility that secrets of unimaginable power and significance are being kept hidden from us. The mysterious lights in the sky and hidden structures only fuel our curiosity. Whatever the reason, one thing is certain. Area 51 remains one of the most enigmatic and intriguing places on Earth. Its remote location and the air of secrecy that surrounds it make it a place where the boundaries of reality and fiction blur. A place where truth and fiction blur, and where the line between reality and imagination becomes tantalizingly thin. The mirage-like effects over the desert serve as a metaphor for the elusive nature of the truths hidden within Area 51. Area 51 is located within the vast expanse of the Nevada Test and Training Range, a sprawling military reservation larger than some small countries. This immense area, shrouded in secrecy, has been the subject of countless rumors and speculations over the decades. The base itself is situated on the southern shore of Groom Lake, a dry lakebed that shimmers like a mirage under the scorching desert sun. This optical illusion has given rise to many tales of mysterious sightings and unexplained phenomena. Surrounding the lakebed are rugged mountain ranges, their jagged peaks rising like silent sentinels, guarding the secrets hidden within. These mountains have witnessed the passage of time and the evolution of the base's covert operations. This remote and unforgiving landscape, far from the prying eyes of civilization, has provided the perfect cover for the base's clandestine activities for over half a century. The isolation has allowed for the development and testing of advanced technologies away from public scrutiny. The harsh desert environment, with its extreme temperatures, limited vegetation, and unforgiving terrain, serves as a natural deterrent to any curious souls who might venture too close. The blistering heat during the day and freezing temperatures at night create a formidable barrier. The nearest town, Rachel, Nevada, is a dusty outpost located miles away, its inhabitants accustomed to the roar of military aircraft overhead and the constant reminders that they live on the edge of a mystery. The town has become a hub for those seeking answers about the enigmatic base. The isolation and inaccessibility of Area 51 have only served to fuel the speculation and intrigue surrounding it, making it a modern-day El Dorado for conspiracy theorists and UFO enthusiasts. They gather in hopes of catching a glimpse of something otherworldly, their imaginations ignited by the tales of secrecy and the unknown. The origins of Area 51 can be traced back to the darkest days of the Cold War, a time of intense paranoia and suspicion between the United States and the Soviet Union. The world was on edge, with both superpowers locked in a fierce competition for technological and military supremacy. In the early 1950s, as the threat of nuclear war loomed large, the CIA initiated a top-secret program to develop a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft capable of spying on Soviet territory without being detected. This program was shrouded in secrecy, with only a select few aware of its existence. This aircraft, which would later become known as the U-2, required a remote and secluded testing ground far from the prying eyes of Soviet satellites and spies. The search for such a location was meticulous and exhaustive. Groom Lake, with its remote location, vast airspace and favorable weather conditions, proved to be the ideal location. Its isolation provided the perfect cover for the clandestine activities that were to follow. In 1955, under the cover of darkness, a small group of engineers, pilots and CIA operatives descended upon the desolate lakebed, bringing with them the disassembled components of the U-2. They worked tirelessly, often in harsh conditions, to assemble and test the aircraft. Thus began Area 51's long and secretive history as a testing ground for some of the most advanced and classified aircraft ever built. The base quickly became synonymous with secrecy and innovation. Over the following decades, the base would play a pivotal role in the development of cutting-edge military technologies, constantly pushing the boundaries of what was possible. From the SR-71 Blackbird, a supersonic spy plane capable of outrunning missiles, to other advanced reconnaissance aircraft that could gather crucial intelligence at unprecedented speeds and altitudes. To the F-117 Nighthawk, the world's first operational stealth aircraft. These innovations not only changed the course of the Cold War, but also set the stage for modern aerial warfare, making Area 51 a cornerstone of American military history. From its inception, Area 51 has been shrouded in an almost impenetrable veil of secrecy. The base's very existence was denied by the US government for decades, its name erased from official maps and its activities kept hidden from public view. Access to the site is strictly controlled, with multiple layers of security, including armed guards, motion sensors and surveillance cameras. The airspace above the base is designated as restricted, with any unauthorized aircraft venturing too close risking immediate interception or even being shot down. Those who work at Area 51 are sworn to secrecy, signing non-disclosure agreements that forbid them from ever speaking about their work even to their families. Employees are flown in and out of the base on unmarked aircraft, often referred to as Janet flights, from a private terminal at McCarran International Airport in Las Vegas. The level of secrecy surrounding Area 51 is so extreme that it has only served to fuel speculation and conspiracy theories, making it a magnet for those who believe that the government is hiding something big from the public. In the summer of 1947, something extraordinary happened near Roswell, New Mexico. Reports of a crashed flying saucer spread like wildfire, igniting imaginations and stirring controversy. The US military quickly intervened, initially claiming they had recovered a flying disc, but later retracting the statement, saying it was just a weather balloon. This sudden change in the narrative only fueled suspicions and conspiracy theories. To this day, the Roswell Incident remains one of the most talked about and debated UFO events in history. Bob Lazar, a name synonymous with UFO lore, claimed to have worked on reverse engineering alien technology at a site known as S4 near Area 51. His allegations in 1989 brought Area 51 into the public eye like never before, but were his claims genuine or just a fabrication? The debate continues to this day, leaving many questions unanswered. Area 51 has long been rumored to be a testing ground for advanced and experimental aircraft. From the U-2 spy plane to the stealth fighters, many groundbreaking technologies have reportedly been developed and tested in its secretive confines. But is there more to these technologies than meets the eye? Some speculate that reverse-engineered alien tech could be behind these advancements. The question of extraterrestrial connections to Area 51 has fascinated and intrigued people for decades. Are the stories of alien encounters and UFO sightings mere myths, or do they hold a kernel of truth? While concrete evidence remains elusive, the speculation and curiosity around this topic are as strong as ever. Despite decades of speculation and investigation, Area 51 remains shrouded in mystery. Its secrecy fuels endless theories and questions. What really goes on behind its heavily guarded gates? While we may never have all the answers, the allure and intrigue of Area 51 continue to captivate our imaginations.